Yeah, so today I'm not shooting in log today. Today I'm shooting in HLG, and we're gonna test this later, or rather color grading this later to see how it looks. I think it looks good. From what I can see on the back of the camera, it's pretty contrasted versus log S-Log 2 that I was trying to color grade. But S-Log 2 was creating so much different variations in colors, especially in the Sony system. But I'm figuring it out. I'm out here in the park. It's like a little beach area. Like and subscribe, man. More videos coming soon. Pop.